Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio. What are the messages for Scorpio? Okay. Judgment, Tower, and Two of Wands. Ten of Cups, the Devil, and the Empress. King of Wands. It's you, Scorpio. You stand by your power and you are very attractive, you're grounded. Yeah. And you are passionate about something, about your person, maybe your work. Yeah. So let's see. Your reading. Recent past. The Tower, Judgment, and Two of Wands. Maybe for some there is separation had happened between both of you. For some there is no contact situation because the Tower movement is there, and Judgment and Two of Wands. You are thinking about your relationship a lot or about your person a lot. There is a lot of thinking going in your mind. Two of Wands, and yeah, you are thinking about to make decision, some major decision. Judgment is here. You already made your decision or you are going to make a decision. So then Ten of Cups, the Devil, and Empress. Why you are thinking about your person a lot? Because they are very dominative, they are non-committal, they are in and out of your life. For some it could be third party situation also. You want this Ten of Cups happiness with your person, but it is not happening because they are obsessed with you. They are very dominative but not giving commitment to you. There are non-committal, and you overcome this energy, the Tower energy. Whatever, you stand by your power. The Empress is you. You are Empress. You deserve best. And future energies, Five of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and Seven of Swords. This is the... Your person is sneaky. They're playing games with you. One person in this connection is sneaky, and this person is non-committal, in and out of your life, cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely, because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy, and first Five of Pentacles, cold shouldering. They are not treating you well. Maybe they are not available to you when you want emotionally them. Yeah, you are literally in this pain. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Still you are getting some thoughts about this person. Still some part of you want this person back. Still you want rebirth, but your person is playing games with you. I think there is separation, lot of drama is going between you and your person. You want this happiness with this person, but it not happening. But you stand by your power. At least you are not showing your pain to the person. What I'm getting here. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going. Queen of Cups. Maybe they are now recognizing your worth. So let's see your person current feelings first. Princess of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Death. Knight of Wands. Yeah, this is a player type energy. They are non-committal. They will come when they want, they will go when they want. Yeah, this is non-committal, and knights always non-committal. Okay, this is not king. Yeah, Princess of Wands. They want to message you, they want to communicate with you. Seven of Pentacles. They want to invest in this connection. Maybe they invested not as much as you, very little. And Death. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. Maybe they know that you are decided to move on from this person. This is ending. Maybe they know that. For some, your person may be undergoing some transformation. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Scorpio, your person. Yeah, it's your card and it's your reading. Queen of Swords. Their actions towards you. Six of Pentacles. Chariot. Yeah, they're coming back. They want to offer equal give and take. Communication is coming, but it is very slow moving energy because the Chariot, the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. Yeah, it is very slow moving energy, but there is some movement. Yeah, they know there is no equal give and take in this connection because you only the person always investing. Now they want to be honest with you because Queen of Swords, they want to speak their truth. And Six of Pentacles, they want to offer equal give and take, and yeah, they want to take things to next level, what I'm getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. See, Three of Swords. Yeah, they're missing you so much. Maybe they are now recognizing your worth. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, they're thinking about you and want to offer equal give and take and partnership. They're ready to express their feelings to you. Yeah. Three of Pentacles, partnership. They really want to work on this relationship. They want reconciliation with you. If you are in separation, if you're not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. After the transformation, maybe they are realizing your worth. Maybe you are guarded up here. Nine of and Page of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back with an apology, communication, messages. So what I'm seeing here, Nine of Wands, two messages. One is you are guarded up right now, what I'm seeing here, Scorpio, but they're thinking two messages. They're thinking about you a lot. They won't give up on you with Three of Pentacles because Three of Pentacles is partnership. They want to work on this relationship. And yeah, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Communication is coming, and yeah, they want to take things to next level with you. Yeah, apology, message, communication is coming. So a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Ace of Swords, communication, clarity is coming. The Lovers, this is the mutual love between both of you. Reconciliation. Wow, I think there will be reconciliation for some because Ten of Pentacles, stability is coming, reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Two of Cups, soulmate connection. Yeah, clarity and communication. For some, you will give another chance to your person because these are the reconciliation cards. Every situation is different from another person. So let's see your person overall energy. For the week. Yeah, your person may be at some crossroads. They're stuck. See again. Seven of Swords. They know they hurt you. That's why they're coming back. They know they did something wrong to you. They're coming back with clarity and honesty. Yeah. Because lots of communication. Maybe they really want you back because they know they hurt you. They have regret for that. They're feeling stuck. Yeah. Maybe they will come towards you, but it will take time because Chariot is also very slow moving energy, and still your person may be at some crossroads. In near future, they will going to make their mind. Their confusion will be gone. Yeah, I am seeing reconciliation for some. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Scorpio. Surrender to the divine. So if you want any answers but you are not getting, surrender to the divine is the message from universe. So surrender the problem to the divine and you will get answer. Okay. So if you are in some confusion to accept this person or not, then also surrender to the divine. Your confusion or your question, you will get answer. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.